the Sacramento River Walnut Huller and Drying Facility. This is a heavy-duty and reliable walnut hulling facility outfitted with numerous custom modification upgrades. The huller was designed and built by an operator and was built for maximum efficiency. Every addition and custom feature were added by the operator as he found ways to improve the process. The huller is located in Chico, California on 13+ acres. The facility currently runs 12 loads of field run per day with a dryer capacity of approximately 250 tons. For this video, we wanted to show the huller working in less than ideal conditions in order to showcase its capacity to handle bad conditions and still get consistent run times. From the first step of the process, unloading, we've already made improvements. The trucks unload onto a Thomas self-propelled conveyor rather than into a traditional pit. This eliminates the liability of a man going down into the pit every time there's a jam, especially in less than ideal weather conditions. To combat sloppy conditions, this huller has been outfitted with many custom features, such as the PreCleaner, considered by some to be the varsity cleaner. This is an optional step which is used during sloppy conditions and can be bypassed as conditions improve. However, as the use of ethanol in the industry increases, more waste is coming in from the field, and we found a need for the PreCleaner more than ever. The Varsity PreCleaner features a 53-inch Thomas-built cable de-sticker with 6-inch spacing, which removes branches and other large debris that could damage other equipment. Once the nuts pass through the 6-inch de-sticker, they fall into an oversized squirrel cage which sifts out smaller unwanted debris. All of the debris from the PreCleaner falls onto the trash conveyor, which is then sent over to the Vrisimo trash shredder. The Vrisimo shredder grinds up the organic waste into a more manageable byproduct, which can then be turned into compost if desired. Every aspect of the PreCleaner is designed to operate in the worst of conditions, all the way down to the belts, which have high-pressure air nozzles as well as optional water nozzles for when the conditions are really bad. Moving on from the Varsity PreCleaner, the nuts move on to the second PreCleaner. This PreCleaner features another de-sticker, this time with a 4-inch spacing to remove smaller sticks and other debris. The second PreCleaner also features a trash parator, a huge vacuum which is used to separate and lift away lightweight debris, such as leaves. The nuts undergo another round of tumbling through an oversized squirrel cage, removing even more debris. This is also the last phase of the PreCleaner stage. Now, the walnuts pass through the custom heavy-duty float tank with AgWeb. This step separates rocks from the walnuts. The rocks fall to the bottom and the nuts float on, where they're carried up to and tossed into one of two 36-inch Barton hullers, where any remaining hulls are stripped away. The walnuts are then washed in an oversized rinse cage. Being oversized allows the nuts to spread out more, allowing the water to rinse the walnuts off better. The nuts are then elevated on an AgWeb chain to the Aspirator, where the lightweight or empty nuts are sucked out and separated from the good nuts. All the good nuts proceed to the preliminary 60-inch Waco Eye, which kicks out both the black and green nuts. The green and black nuts are then conveyed to the secondary 24-inch Waco Eye, which separates the black from the green. This enables us to discard the black nuts and send the green nuts through the rerun huller for additional hulling, where they are then put back into the system. There's just one last quality control check before the nuts move on to the PreDryer. The Thomas PreDryer conveyor is estimated to save 3 hours of drying time and helps to eliminate water in the drying room, which cuts down on drying time and also improves safety conditions by not having wet floors. The PreDryer is powered by these oversized heaters which blast the walnuts with pressurized air at temperatures up to 150 degrees. Here you can see what the walnuts look like before and after the PreDryer. From here, the nuts are transported via conveyor to one of the many drying bins in one of 6 drying lines in the main dryer room. Each bin has a letdown inside to reduce nuts from cracking and appropriate moisture sensors to monitor the drying process. A few last mentionables are the covered loadout, which enables you to clear out your drying bins regardless of the weather outside, allowing production to continue without interruption. Near the loadout is the computerized axle scale and scale house, used to keep a paper trail of the crop. We hope you enjoyed watching and found this video helpful. If you have any additional questions, please direct them to the following.